Come on, Ninja, time to wake up. Time to wake up. I don't want to lay in bed anymore. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Come on. Come on. I don't want to be in bed anymore.
That's not how you do it.
How should I do it?
Come on, Nina.
No. No. Oh. Oh, that's mean.
Oh,
That is mean.
That's so sad. Whatever shall you do? Don't lay back down. Get away.
Just out of reach. Do you want to go up on the windowsill with Taika? He's falling back asleep. Come on, baby. It was nice sleeping with you, but now it's time to wake up. Your face looks so funny. And oh, Daddy's being mean to you. He does not want to leave the bed. Oh, my honey, go sleepy with Fuffos. Good morning, world! Oh my goodness. So I wasn't really able to record very much today because something came up and I wasn't really able to vlog very much. And now I have to go to work because somebody needs me to cover for them. I wasn't supposed to work tonight, but now I do. And so I gotta work every day this week till Sunday, which I was supposed to work every day, but not tonight. And Zane just left for work. We'll try and see if we can do something afterwards, but more than likely today might just be a short vlog. Nothing much really happened today. It's just been a slow day, very dreary and dark outside, all wet. It's been raining all day. See, it's all wet. Couldn't really do a whole lot.
No, I'm not a funny person.
You're a funny person. Why not?
Because you said I'm not going to use any of your French fries.
Yeah, well, you know that's not true. Why do you have two there then, huh?
Cheaper.
You got 2 drinks, 2 fries. You have 2 meals basically. How's it 3? What is that face?
I stole from Murray off of Practical Jokers.
Oh yeah, that is a lot like his face. Stole one. What the?
It's not gonna happen.
What would be the coolest thing to happen in Game of Thrones next episode? If the mountain and the viper what?
viper shouldn't touch him at all. He should just not touch him the entire time. He should just die out of nowhere.
Why?
That's the whole concept of who he is. Dude is like super stealthy and like uses poisons and stuff. It'd be cool if he was getting his ass kicked the entire time by the mountain, and then I don't know where he just falls over and dies for no reason.
That would be stupid. Wait, who? Oh, if the mountain died.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying if
It'd be awesome.
Viper died.
No.
That would be pretty cool. Is that what you were gonna say? Why are you making that face? I was about to eat that. Throw another one, maybe I'll catch it.
Nope.
One more. Just one more. You didn't, that was not good. One more. You stink.
I don't think it has anything to do.
Zane's leaving, and this is what Momo does to every day he
Gotta go.
tries to leave. He says, "Don't leave, I'll play with you."
I'm leaving.
Momo will be in like a dead sleep, and he'll wake up and start trying to play with Zane.
I'm here.
Give him a kiss goodbye.